Welcome to my channel. In this lecture series, I want to discuss about distance. So what is distance? In the previous lecture, I would have talked about displacement. So many of the students have doubt between what is the difference between distance and displacement. So displacement is the shifting of position from one to another, from A to B, movement from A to B. Distance is the measurement of any 2 points, the measurement of any 2 points. It may be A, B. The measurement again need not be in a straight line. It can be in a zigzag, in a wavy form, in a circular way, how much distance it has covered, like that. So simply distance is the measurement of the movement of the object, measurement of magnitude in which the object has moved. For example, from A to B, it is 5 meter. An object has started to move from position A, from 0th meter to 1st meter, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th. This is the distance. This is the meaning of distance. Measurement of the magnitude from A to B. So that A to B has to be measured in some terms, right? That terms in physics is universally determined in terms of meter. Okay, this is called as distance. Thank you.